Are you both on the same page? Parenting is always a mutual task. It is neither the entire responsibility of mother nor of father. So, it is very important for both of them to have similar beliefs about how to raise their child. Or even if they don't have, it is really important to discuss and come to a conclusion as to what the parenting methods would be. Otherwise, I am sure you must have experienced and you must have seen with other parents too that they usually fight over how to handle the children when they put them into a difficult situation. If the father is a lot permissive, that is, if he agrees to everything that the child asks for, and on the other hand, mother is a bit strict and chooses wisely whether to agree to kids' demands or not, then as the child grows, he would become closer to his father and ignore the mother. This is not good, even for kid and father, because a day will surely come when the father won't be able to fulfill the child's demand. And then, when the child will force him to agree to his demands, then father is surely going to blow out on him. So, if you are that kind of a parent, then better think about the problems that you might face in the future because of a wrong habit that you are letting your child develop. If mother is a lot permissive and father is strict, then also mother is going to face the same difficult situation one day. If both the parents are really aggressive and scolding and hitting are the main methods that they use in difficult situations, then the real problem is that they are creating a human being who will either become a rebel or a victim. Violent methods are never the right methods of raising a kid. You are crushing all of his self worth and confidence. What would he carry with himself when he grows up? Hatred, sorrow, disbelief, anger, or fearfulness. So that's why it is really important for both the parents to be on the same page. Yes, it will be difficult because both the parents have been raised in different environments. And the way you were raised plays a vital role in the way you will raise your kids. So, every now and then, talk about how to handle recurring issues that you face with your children. After all, it is better to discuss the course of action than fight over that in front of your children because it gives them the opportunity to know which parent will be softer towards them. I hope this message will make your parenting better. I'll be back tomorrow with another easy parenting idea.